shit been recording.
Shit, boy.
My boy. We out here riding the bicycles tonight. We out here in the goddamn Motor Hemis.
Goddamn. Pedal action, baby.
Hey, Flintstone days. We out here finna show you how that footwork work.
Man, we in here.
And we got a little Bluetooth. I'll set that down, but we gonna goddamn.
Win some money tonight.
All right.
Oh, you gonna win?
You gonna win it. Lotto. All right, I'm finna take this ride. Look at bro. I don't even know how much I can record. Hold on. I gotta get right. Ah. That nigga should have doubled my bag. Look at him. Oh shit. So there you go. Harmon. Oh shit.
Call me baby boy.
Alright, I'm finna focus on my bottle. I ain't gonna lie, I don't wanna drop the bag. I gotta goddamn hold it all up together. Hey, how y'all? Ain't no, hey, I don't blame you.
Looking at your bank account, boy, that's a bad. Nobody even know. This shit, my bad. But on the bright side, you finally made me laugh, though. Yeah. Such an asshole. I told the plumber, break the knob and let the cash flow. I can show you how to get the compensation just for a consultation, but until my paper get a confirmation, I ain't got no patience for a conversation. No compensation, too good to singing, that's a compilation. Hardcore shit, cold as ice, I ain't sweating, baby, that's condensation, not dead.